Okay, good morning, second PC students. Yesterday, what did we learn? Partial fractions, integration by partial fractions. Integration by partial fractions, so one table is there. What is the table? This is the function, fractional function into partial function. What is the first one? For example, serial number, form of FORM, form of fractional function, form of fractional function, form of partial function, form of partial function. Okay, so what is the first one? For example, px plus q by x minus a into x minus b, px plus q by x minus a. This is the fractional function. Okay, this is partial function. This is fractional function, convert into, reduce into partial fraction. How to convert? How many functions are there in the denominator? How many terms? 2 terms. So a by x minus a plus b by x minus b. The second one, px plus q by x minus a whole square into x minus b. First, proper, improper. What is the proper and improper? You know, clear? Proper. What is the proper fractional function? Proper rational function. This is a rational function. This is the p of x by q of x. Degree of p of x is less than degree of q of x. Degree of p of x is less than degree of q of x. Is this type of rational function is called proper function. Otherwise, improper function. The improper function can be reduced into rational function, must be reduced into rational function. How to reduce? By using the division algorithm. What is the division algorithm? For example, 7 by 3. 7 by 3 is equal to, this is 7, 3, 3, 2, so 6, 1. So 2 plus 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is a proper function, proper fraction. So 2 plus 1 by 3. At the same time, p of x by q of x is equal to, what is the first one? T of x plus p1 of x by q of x. Nodri, denominator here are same, denominator same. So T of x is this is the divisor. This is dividend. Dividend is to 2. What is the dividend? This is dividend. This is a remainder. This is the divisor. Okay, this is the model. So repeated. This is x minus a whole square, proper a. This is degree 1, no, degree 3, x square into x cube, proper 3. Degree 3 means this is proper fraction. Proper fraction, first to a by. Degree is to how many degree? 3. So how many constants are there? 3 constants. So a by x minus a plus b by x minus a whole square, x minus a whole square plus c by x minus b. This is the rule regulations. Next, third one, so px square plus qx plus r by x minus a into x minus b into x minus c. 3 or more, not only limit, there is no limit. So 3, 4, 5 and so on, anyone. So this is what? A by x minus a plus b by x minus b plus c by x minus c. Fourth one, px square plus qx plus r by x minus a into x square plus bx plus c. This is also proper. proper 2 into 2 x into x square x cube into the degree 3, so proper this is the only a by x minus a plus this is x square plus bx plus c. There is no factors, real factors, so this type of one. This is degree x square into x cube, degree x cube. How many constants are? 3 constants. So bx plus c by x square plus bx plus c. Already one model problem also completed. Next one, go to the next one. This is very important chapter. It comes 100% 3 marks question in our examination. 1 by x square minus 9. Second problem, integral 1 by x square minus 9. 1 by x square minus 9. Formula direct formula. Integral 1 by x square minus 3 square dx. So integral 1 by x square minus a square. Integral 1 by x square minus a square is equal to 1 by 2a into log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. This is second one. Next 3x minus 1 by fourth one, integral 3x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 dx. 3x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. So first conversion. Reduce first what this is the rational function. Rational function reduces into partial function. So first of all this is 3x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. So a by x minus 1, b by x minus 2 plus c by x minus 3. LCM. What is the LCM? X minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 LCM. So next without x minus m, x minus 2 a into x minus 2 x minus 3 without x minus 1. So x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 1 into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 1 into x minus 3. Next plus c into x minus 1 into x minus 2. 3x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Both are cancelled. So 3x minus 1 is equal to a into x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 1 into x minus 3 plus c into x minus 1 into x minus 2. So if you want a value, so remaining b terms, c terms, both terms b and c both terms will be 0. If you want a value, easy. If you want a value, the remaining b term and c term both terms will be 0. How? The common value, b c common value x minus 1. So put x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 means 3 into 1 minus 1 is equal to a into 1 minus 2 1 minus 3 plus b into 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 3 plus c into 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 2. So 3 into 1 minus 1, 3 minus 1 no, 2 is equal to a into 1 minus 2 minus 1 no, minus 2 plus 0 plus 0. So minus 1 into minus 2, 2. So 2 to cancel. So a is equal to 1. Next to put x is equal to, we want b value, the remaining a and c will be 0. So common, which one is the common? X minus 2 is the common. X minus 2 is the common means put x is equal to 2. Put x is equal to 2 means so 3 into 2 minus 1. So 0 plus b into 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 3 plus 0. So 3 into 6, 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So 2 minus 1, 1 no, 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus b minus b. So b is equal to, that implies b is equal to minus 5. 2 minus 1, 2 minus 3. This is minus 1 no, 3x minus 1 no, put x is equal to 2. So b is equal to minus 5. So we want to c value, the remaining a and b are will be 0. This is the common term is x minus 3 is the common term. So put x is equal to minus 3. Put x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 means 3 into 3 minus 1 is equal to 0 plus 0 plus c into 3 minus 1 no, 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 1 no, 3 minus 1 2. So 9, 9 minus 1 8. 8 is equal to 2c. c is equal to 4. So ABC values. So that is equal to integral a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2 plus c by x minus 3 dx. So what is a? A is equal to 1. 1 by x minus 1 dx plus integral b value minus 5 by x minus 2 dx. So c value 4. 4 by x minus 3 dx. So 1 by x minus 1 is equal to log mod x minus 1 minus 5 into log mod x minus 2 plus 4 into log mod x minus 3 plus c. So log a plus log b, this is log of x minus 1 minus log mod x minus 2 whole power 5 plus log mod x minus 3 whole power 4 plus c. So these two, log a plus log b is equal to log a into b, log a into b, log a plus log b is equal to log a into b. So log x minus 1 into x minus 3 whole power 4, minus means by x minus 2 whole power 5 plus c. This is the very simple, but you have to find out a, b, c values, a very important one. This is the main thing is find out a, b, c values. And next direct log x integral 1 by x, maximum all are compulsory 100% 1 by x. Integral 1 by x is equal to log x. This is main thing this is the main thing. Okay. Next one, 2x by x square plus 3x plus 2. Integral 2x by Next problem, integral 2x by x square plus 3x plus 2 dx. So this is the factors, quadratic equation factors, x plus 1 into x plus 2. Okay, x into x square plus 2x plus x 3x 1 into 2 2. Okay, so integral a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2 dx. So 2x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2. So LCM 2x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to LCM. What is the LCM? X plus 1 into x plus 2, x plus 1 into x plus 2, a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. Cancel. 2x is equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. So we want a value. First we have to calculate a value. When a value, so we want a value means the total b term will be 0. So which one substitute value? X is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 1, minus 1 plus 1 0. So 2 into minus 1, that is equal to a into minus 1 plus 2, a into x is equal to minus 1 plus b into minus 1 plus 0. So minus 2 is equal to minus 1 plus 2, a plus 0. So a is equal to minus 2. Next again put x is equal to, we want b value. We want b value means then x is equal to, substitute x is equal to minus 2, we get a value. So put x is equal to minus 2 plus 2 into minus 2 is equal to a into minus 2 plus 2 plus b into minus 2 plus 1. So 2 into minus 2 is equal to minus 4, 0, minus 2 plus 1 minus b. So what is b? b is equal to 4. So a is equal to minus 2 by x plus 1 dx plus b is equal to 4 by x plus 2 dx. So minus 2 into integral 1 by x plus 1. Integral 1 by x 1 log of x plus 1 plus 4 into log mod x plus 2 plus c. So log x plus 2 whole power 4 minus log x plus 1 whole square plus c. Log a minus log b is equal to log a by b. Log x plus 2 whole power 4 by x plus 1 whole square plus c. This type of problems, only this type, first method, first rule, first method problems are very very important one. homework problem. So integral x by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 dx integral 2x minus 3y x square minus 1 into x square minus 1 into 2x plus 3 dx. So that is equal to 2x minus 3 by, this is what, x square minus 1, x square minus a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b, x plus 1 into x minus 1 into 2x plus 3 dx. So a by x plus 1, b by x plus x minus 1, c by x minus 1. This is second problem. Third problem, integral 5x by x plus 1 into x square minus 4 dx. This is 5x by x plus 1 into a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So x plus 2 into x minus 2 dx, same as the three are same models. Okay, these three are homework problems. Next to integral x by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2 dx. X by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2. This is the third one. First one, no? First rule models. First rule, ninne completed, yesterday completed. This is the third rule. This is the fourth rule. At the fourth rule, so that is dx is equal to, first what, x by x minus 1 whole square, x by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2 is equal to, first a by x minus 1 whole square, fourth rule, nodre table, in the table fourth rule. X minus 1 whole square means a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 1 whole square plus c by x plus 2. LCM. So x by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2 is equal to LCM x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2. A into x minus 1 whole square, 1 x minus 1 is there, another x minus, there is no another x minus 1. So x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus b into x minus 1 whole square is there. Next, what is the balance? X plus 2 plus c into x minus 1 whole square. It cancel. So x is equal to a into x minus 1 x plus 2, x is equal to a into x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 2 plus c into x minus 1 whole square. So put common value. This is, first we get b value. This is x minus 1, a has x minus 1 term, b has, c has x minus 1 whole square. So put x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1 means 1 is equal to a into, this is 0, plus b into 1 plus 2 plus c into 0. So 1 is equal to 3b. So b is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is equal, b is equal to 1 by 3. Next put common value. This is next c value. A, b common. A गी b गी common term ಏನು x plus 2. So put x is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to a into 0 plus b into 0 plus c into x is equal to minus 2 minus 1 whole square. So that is equal to minus 2 is equal to minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Minus 3 whole square is equal to 9c. C is equal to minus 2 by 9. C is okay. B value okay. C value okay. Next to A value. Next to A value. How to come A value? A value. Comparing the x square coefficient. Comparing the x square coefficient. Comparing x square coefficient both sides. Comparing x square coefficient. ఈ LH side x square coefficient is not there. In LH side, which coefficient is comparing? X square coefficients are comparing. So in LHS only x is there. There is no x square term. Put 0. So here a into x, x square. So ax square and a. So here b into x, there is no x square term. This is c into x minus c whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So c, a plus c is equal to 0. So what is a? A is equal to minus c. So a is equal to 2 by 9. A value minus c equal. What is c value? Minus 2 by 9. Minus or minus plus. So that is equal to integral a by, what is a? A value 2 by 9. 2 by 9 by x minus 1 dx plus b. What is b? B is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 by x minus 1 whole square dx plus what is c? C is equal to minus 2 by 9 2x plus 3 dx. So that is equal to 2 by 9 constant to integral 1 by x is equal to log mod x minus 1 plus 1 by 3 into integral 1 by x. Integral 1 by x square dx is equal to minus 1 by x. Integral 1 by x square is equal to minus 1 by x. So minus 1 by x minus 1 minus 2 by 9 into log mod 2x plus 3 by derivative of 2x plus 3 is equal to 2. So 2 by 9 log x minus 1 minus 1 by 3 into x minus 1 minus 2 to cancel minus 1 by 9 into log mod 2x plus 3 plus c. Integral 1 by x square is equal to minus 1 by x. Integral 1 by x square is equal to minus 1 by x. Okay. Okay, three methods. First method, This is the third method. This is the fourth rule in the table, fourth rule. Next, second rule. Three x minus 1 by x plus 2 whole square. Integral 3x minus 1 by x plus 2 whole square dx. X plus 2 whole square. This is very important and simple. What is the second rule? For example, px plus q by x minus a whole square is equal to a by x minus a plus b by x minus a whole square. Okay, we simply put x plus 2 is equal to t, x is equal to t minus 2, x plus 2 is equal to t, x is equal to t minus 2. Differentiate with respect to x. X derivative dx, t derivative dt, dx is equal to dt. So integral 3 into what is x? X is equal to t minus 2. X plus t minus 2 minus 1 by what is the x plus 2? X plus 2 is equal to t. This is the shortcut method, simple method, only repetition. X plus 2 whole square, whole cube, whole power 4 is any type of power, but only repetition model. And the second rule in table, second rule type problem, simply shortcut method is there. This is the x plus 2, this is the denominator one is taken t, x is equal to t minus 2. So integral 3 into t, 3t, minus 3 into 2, 6, minus 6 minus 1 by t square dt. Integral 3t minus 7 by t square dt. Divide integral 3t by t square minus 7 by t square dt. So 3 into integral t ones cancel, 3 into 1 by t dt plus 7 into integral minus 1 by t dt. Minus 1 by t square dt. So 3 into integral 1 by t. Integral 1 by t is equal to log mod t, plus 7 into integral minus 1 by x square. Integral minus 1 by x square is equal to 1 by x. Integral minus 1 by x square is equal to 1 by x. So 1 by t plus c. So finally answer 3 log mod what is t? X plus 2 plus 7 by x plus 2 plus c. 3 into log mod x plus 2 plus 7 by t is equal to what is t? X plus 2. This is very important problem. Only this is the shortcut method without any using the partial functions. Okay, partial functions. Direct method, only repetition will be allowed. Repetition iddare only repetition, square, cube, ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆ ಥರ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ನು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಟು ಇನ್ನು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಟಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಈಸಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಈ ಥರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ಸು. ಓಕೆನಾ? Some problems are there, some 2 or 3 problems are there with another method. Okay, so tomorrow we'll continue the next method.